doon sa mga fleshly things and sa selfishness natin, we commit mistake. But my prayer is, my ultimate prayer that we will sit with Abraham, we will say our experience as we join each other in heaven. And may we all be used by God here, especially kayo na mag-iwan in this place at saan man kayo dadali ng Panginoon. We will always, kumbaga, remember our identity kanina, no? Diba? Identity that we are the child of the King and we are here for a purpose. We are here sa trabaho natin, but our purpose is to share the love of God.